Hey team, and welcome back to part trace of this lovely beachfront street scene. It is so lovely to have you back here. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're returning, then welcome back. Today, we do detail work. Not always my favorite, but very important for this painting. So strap in, and let's get this done today on Studio-214.
Be ready, grab a brush.
Give me a hell! Give me a yeah! Let's paint right now!
Okay, so, details. Yes, let me give you, in this canvas, the details. Gonna bust out that door. My vision is that it's a wooden glass door that opens up to a balcony where you can see the street below and the ocean beyond. Nice, right? Good. I think so too. So, what do y'all think of the green up top by them doors? I'm thinking me no likey, and it's too much. Yep, let's do it. Let's pull the fucking trigger and paint this bastard. It's kind of khaki. How do you make khaki? What I did is I mixed a little burnt sienna into some yellow ochre with just a touch of alizarin, if it needs it. And then get it on there. Time to darken up that awning. And then I'm gonna move the windows around a little bit down there. Yep, I'm literally gonna paint over it. It's what I do. I am a painter, and I paint pretty things. Yeah, what I'm doing here is putting in a glass fence for the balcony. Because if I had a sweet balcony overlooking an alley, I would totally want to see more of it too. It doesn't even make any sense. Who wrote this? Funk it. I'm committed. Press on. Yeah! Hopefully that looks like transparent glass. Hopefully it gave it some dimension. If only there were critics out there on the interwebs that could tell me what they thought and not spare my feelings, you know? Tell me how they really feel. Comment video coming up. They can get irrational. Be there! Here I am redefining the doors and windows. Oh, that's a sweet little window. I thought it would be a good idea to add a little bit more interest to the composition and make those things look like they're lived in. Why not put people in, you may say?
I don't do humans.
It's a thing. In art school, we had to draw human figures as well. I got better, but I'm still not very good. I need much more practice. So, until I'm at a place I feel more comfy sharing, I'm gonna leave humans out. So for right now, yep, I don't do humans. Well, that is of course besides Sweet Jen. I do that human. Nice! So anyway, my professor said that this painting will rise or fall into a damn quagmire, my words, on the details. So the rest of the video is me blocking things in and giving them copious amounts of detail. This is different than how I usually operate. I'm not too concerned with details usually. I want awesome crisp highlights and deep dark shadow in very dramatic settings. I like to experiment with light and shadow because I think it's easier to paint than detail-oriented work. I mean, if you want a perfect representation, take a photo, I always say. But mostly this particular creative endeavor tickles my nethers in ways that I find enjoyable. Sure do. Which is weird. You see, I'm a combat vet. I get a goose when things go boom and heroic epic shit is going down. And that's usually what it takes for me to get excited about things. But painting, as crazy as it sounds, excites me. I wake up happy thinking about what I'm going to do next. To it. Usually I save thinking about what I want to do next to someone or something for sweet Jen. Yes. It's cool to be lusty towards your wife, isn't it? Well, you know what they say, better to ask forgiveness than permission. Come here, Jen, I have something for you.
Aku tun leibe meine Schatzi. Ist sweet Jen Hilda. Here to take whatever you want to give it to me.
Get off my girl! Not right now. I'm trying to paint. Damn. Ooh, that's nice. Yes, sir. That is just super. Things are real nice down here. Yes. Everything on that canvas is real slippery. Ooh, that is nice. Yes. Ooh, this is a lady canvas. Hello, Miss Lady Canvas. Does that tickle when I do that? Let me tickle that big old canvas. Come on now. Woo! Well, that was borderline creepy. It was about to get nasty up in here. Don't you judge me! Things get crazy with all this summer heat. You see, my blood is too thick for Texas. I've never been able to properly explain myself in this climate. Seriously though, this is therapy for me. Thanks for being a voyeur. Please leave a comment with what you like better, cityscapes or landscapes, and tell me why. As for me, I'm going to the house. For Studio-214, I'm great. Thank you, Tom, for peeping. Creep on back next time.